Don't you hate it when you can't make a decision because you're like a deer in the headlights and you just freeze when all the information is being thrown at you? Well, I have a solution that's going to help you figure out how to make a decision. And this is going to be for those yes or no decisions that you need to make. For example, every single year I have the same exact battle. Should I use more social media in the classroom or should I not? Well, now I'm going to use this method, and I call it the yay or nay method. Make a table, yay or nay. In the yay column, you're going to put all the reasons why you should use it, and in the nay column, the reasons why you should not. And these are the reasons I came up with as to why I should use it. So I put down that, their attention is already there. There's a lot of differentiation because I can use audio, visual, and kinesthetic activities to get the kids engaged. It's fun and it's exciting. There's more ways to collect data. Like in terms of if I'm doing a lesson on basic facts, then I can figure out who's getting it, who's not. It can give students immediate feedback. I can make instructional videos and they can play it, pause it, rewind it as many times as they want to. And it's available to them 24/7. This is what I have for the nay reason. They can get off task easily. For example, if they're on their cell phone and they're using it to complete their homework, it's possible they could get a text message and then it could pull them away from their learning. I actually had a lot of trouble trying to come up with nay reasons, which is actually the point of the exercise. The yay or nay table is a great visual because it helps you see which one has more reasons. Therefore, you'll be able to make your decision as to which one you should go with. And since my goal was to figure out should I use more social media in my classroom, all of my yay reasons is letting me know that I definitely should go with it. I'm Ramon Torres, the educator at School Brain, and I hope this tip helps you out.